Toss flour in hot oil. I won't eat meat any other way now. In a bowl, I'll start by adding the steak. You can use any meat you prefer. Next, I'll season it with a bit of salt. Add black pepper and some minced garlic. After coating the meat, set it aside. In a hot pan with oil, add about 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix it well. Now add our steak. When breaded, remove and drain on paper towels. Repeat with remaining steaks, frying in the same oil. In a pan, add some tomato sauce. Place our steaks in the pan. Top with more tomato sauce. Then add some shredded cheese. I used mozzarella, but use your favorite. Cover and let the cheese start to melt. This is the perfect point, folks. Now, just serve and enjoy. Look how amazing this chicken parm turned out. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and cheers.